Welcome back to Automobile, where we bring you the most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving deep into one of the boldest electric vehicles to hit the road, the 2026 GMC Hummer EV. This isn't just an electric truck, it's a revolution in off-road performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Once known for its massive gas-guzzling SUVs, the Hummer brand has been reborn under GMC as an all-electric powerhouse. The 2026 Hummer EV continues to push the envelope, building upon the success of the previous models with even more range, more capability, and futuristic features that make it stand out in the growing EV truck market. Let's start with the design. The 2026 GMC Hummer EV carries forward the muscular, aggressive look we expect from the Hummer name, but it's also sleeker and more refined. The front fascia features a bold light bar with the Hummer logo illuminated across the grille, flanked by high-tech LED headlights. The body is rugged, squared off, and full of functional design touches like skid plates, tow hooks, and massive wheel arches that house up to 37-inch tires. Whether you're driving through city streets or climbing rocky trails, the Hummer EV has a commanding presence like no other truck. Under the skin, the 2026 Hummer EV is built on GM's Ultium platform, which is designed specifically for electric vehicles. The top-tier version offers a tri-motor setup, delivering up to an astonishing 1,000 horsepower and 11,500 pound-feet of torque. Yes, you heard that right, over 11,000 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to launch this beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3 seconds. It's supercar performance in a heavy-duty off-roader. Range anxiety? Not with this truck. The 2026 Hummer EV comes with an upgraded battery pack, offering up to 400 miles of range on a full charge. It also supports 800-volt DC fast charging, meaning you can add about 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes with a compatible charger. Whether you're commuting or exploring the wilderness, this truck has the stamina to take you far. Now let's talk about off-road capability, because this is where the Hummer EV really shines. With adaptive air suspension, the vehicle can raise itself to gain extra ground clearance when needed. It also features a revolutionary four-wheel steering system that includes CrabWalk mode, allowing the vehicle to move diagonally to get out of tight spots. Combine that with underbody cameras, advanced traction control, and torque vectoring, and you've got a vehicle that can conquer almost any terrain. Step inside the cabin and you're greeted with a futuristic, tech-packed interior that balances utility and luxury. The dash is dominated by two large screens, a 13.4-inch infotainment display and a 12.3-inch digital driver display. The graphics are crisp, fast, and full of useful off-road data and energy information. The interior materials are premium, with rugged textures and Hummer-specific design elements that remind you this is no ordinary truck. One of the most exciting features is Super Cruise, GM's advanced hands-free driving system. It allows you to drive hands-free on over 400,000 miles of mapped roads in North America, and the 2026 version now includes automatic lane change capabilities and improved monitoring for safety. You can let the Hummer do the driving while you enjoy the journey. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either. The Hummer EV has a versatile bed with multiple cargo options and a power-operated tonneau cover. The MultiPro tailgate offers 6 different configurations, making it easier to load, unload, and even turn it into a workbench or step. The front trunk, or frunk, adds even more cargo space, completely sealed and secure for smaller items. The 2026 model also introduces new software features and over-the-air updates. Owners can customize their drive modes, track vehicle health, and receive new features via automatic downloads. It's a constantly evolving machine, just like your smartphone. GMC has also made sustainability a core part of the Hummer EV's mission. The Ultium batteries use less cobalt and more recyclable materials. The manufacturing process at GM's Factory Zero in Detroit is designed to be carbon neutral, and they've implemented green energy sources wherever possible. Of course, all this performance, tech, and innovation doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Hummer EV is expected to start around $90,000, with fully loaded versions crossing the $110,000 mark. But for those who want unmatched capability, jaw-dropping performance, and head-turning style, this truck delivers. In the world of electric trucks, the GMC Hummer EV isn't just another option, it's a symbol of what electric vehicles can truly become when automakers go all in. It brings the legendary toughness of the Hummer brand into a zero-emissions future, with style, strength, and cutting-edge innovation. So if you're looking for a truck that can take on mountains, dominate the highway, and look futuristic while doing it, the 2026 GMC Hummer EV might just be your ultimate ride. That's all for today's episode on Automobile. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the world's most exciting vehicles. See you in the next video. Dash dash dash.